Alright, here's a video representation of how sketchy the vehicle is that I have to drive at work. Brakes grind when you ever slightly touch them. Alright, when we accelerate, there'll be some other noises. Probably some transmission slippage. Alright. Oh, that's clunked, but didn't slip. And it is whining like crazy. Slipped. Basically, if you touch a gas pedal hardly at all, it'll slip. Oh, and it just clunked. Like, you can't really hear it when it clunks, but like it jerks the whole car back and forth. Oh, and most of the time it doesn't want to shift, and it's not even like a regular transmission, it's a CVT. So, I don't know why I don't know, it's weird. It mimics shifts, but it shifts very rough, even though they're fake shifts. And, I don't know, it's just weird. Everything about this car is weird. Even the brakes are, like, super sketchy. Like, super sketchy. Sometimes you hit them and nothing happens. Sometimes you hit them and they're incredibly touchy. This car feels like a death trap, and it's like a 2017. Oh, and sometimes it'll slip real bad and it'll start going like the whole thing will be grinding and lights green, let's go. I want to get home. I want to go home. Okay. So weird. I'm barely touching the gas. Oh, and any over like quarter throttle is this, oh my god, is the same as full throttle. Literally quarter throttle is like, quarter throttle and full throttle is the same amount of acceleration. There's like a trillion things wrong with this car, and it's so odd. And people are driving very aggressively around me. Some lady almost just sideswiped me because she had to get over to go 1 mile per hour faster than what she was going. The gas, it starts whining. As soon as you put a load on the transmission, it starts whining. Actually, it's whining without a load. Damn. That was sudden. I guess a chain reaction of people not paying attention in front of me. What the beeping was. I'll check the video and see what the beeping was. I'm guessing it was warning me that there's a car quickly coming up in front of me or behind me. Goodness gravy, what the hell's going on? Oh, that's it. That's this video. Basically, I just wanted to kind of show the world the car that's never taken care of that I have to drive for work. I feel so safe. See you in the next video when I'm driving very unsafe in my truck, probably.